France makes final effort to salvage cargo ship before it runs aground. France will engage in a last-ditch attempt to salvage the stricken cargo ship Modern Express. If the attempt fails, the vessel is expected to run aground on the French coast on Monday or Tuesday. Modern Express was traveling from Gabon to France when it lost propulsion power in the Bay of Biscay, 200 nautical miles off the southern coast of France. Rescue vessels tried to tow the ship to port, but rough seas thwarted their attempts. The Modern Express is 164 meters long. It is carrying 3,600 tons of timber and digging machines and 300 tons of fuel. On Tuesday, the ship started listing at an angle of between 40 and 50 degrees. A distress signal was sent out, and its 22 crew members were promptly rescued by Spanish helicopters. A final attempt to tow the vessel will be made on Monday. If it fails, the ship will strike France's southwestern coast between Monday night and Tuesday morning. Reuters reported that there was no sign that fuel was leaking from the Modern Express, but authorities will escort the ship to limit any environmental damage if it runs aground.